How to scan WhatsApp code QR code from one another device. So hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily scan the WhatsApp QR code from another device. So first thing first, simply head over to your WhatsApp application, and inside WhatsApp application there is a three dot icon in the top right corner, and once you click on it, head over to settings, and as you can see the QR code option, you need to turn on this my code option from this device, and from another device you need to go to the same settings option just like this, and you have to again click on the QR code icon, and from another device you simply need to click on scan code from here, and when you put this another device on top of the device from which you are showing the QR code, you just need to scan it just like this. And that's it guys, that's exactly how you can scan the QR code from one WhatsApp app device to another. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.